Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make tomato Shin Ramen. I heard that this recipe is #1 Shin Ramen recipe in Japan. So let's do that today. Today we need Shin Ramen, tomatoes, green onions, white onion, garlic, egg, olive oil, black pepper, ragu or Rao's spaghetti sauce, oregano, basil, and grated cheese. Please cut vegetables first. Size of vegetables doesn't matter because we gonna boil them and they all gonna get mushy. And garlic, please minced garlic. And mix yolk and egg white. Add olive oil and minced garlic first. And make minced garlic a little bit brown. Add green onions, white onion. Make white onion a little bit brown. Then add tomatoes. Two tablespoons of ragu or Rao's spaghetti sauce. Oregano, basil leaves, add 2 cups of water. Then add Shin Ramen soup base and dry veggies in the package. Add ramen noodle when it's boiling. And I'm gonna take out noodle first because I don't like overcooked noodle. And then add egg. Looks great. It's plating time. You can add black pepper or grated cheese. It's up to you. This ramen has tomatoes, sourness, and sweetness from white onions and rich garlic flavor we can taste typical Italian food, and also a little bit late kick, but I taste Shin Ramen's spiciness, but I don't taste that much spiciness, sourness, sweetness, and spiciness mix really well. It's so delicious. You should try this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.